Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican stew beef using an easy method. First, select quality beef cuts like chuck or sirloin. Cut the beef into 1-inch pieces. Marinate the beef with a blend of Jamaican spices, including pimento, thyme, and Scotch bonnet pepper. Allow it to marinate for at least 1 hour, or preferably overnight, for maximum flavor absorption. After browning the beef, remove it and set aside. In the same pot, sauté chopped onions, minced garlic, and grated ginger until they become fragrant. Next, add diced bell peppers and sliced carrots, cooking them for a few minutes until slightly softened. Stir in a tablespoon of tomato paste, allowing it to cook for about 1 minute to deepen its flavor.
If you're finding these cooking tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. And on another note, cooking can be hot work, so stay refreshed. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle to keep your drinks cold. Check the description for a link to grab yours and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now return the brown beef to the pot. Pour in enough beef broth or water to just cover the meat. Add a sprig of fresh thyme, a whole Scotch bonnet pepper, and a few pimento berries. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for at least 2 hours, or until the beef is fork tender. Once the beef is tender, remove the Scotch bonnet pepper and thyme sprig. If the sauce is too thin, create a slurry with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water, then stir it into the stew. Cook for a few more minutes until the sauce thickens. Taste and adjust salt and pepper as needed. Serve your delicious Jamaican stew beef hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.